हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका आज के धमाकेदार वीडियो में। गाइस, यदि आप फ्रेशर, बी फार्म, बीएससी, एमएससी या एम फार्म हैं और फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डिपार्टमेंट में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। गाइस, आज के वीडियो में हम 20 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे। इससे पहले पार्ट 1 में हमने 30 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कवर किए थे। गाइज, इस वीडियो में जो भी क्वेश्चंस हमने लिए हैं वो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। और गाइज, यदि आप चैनल पर नए आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना। तो चलते हैं, तो गाइज बिना देरी किए हो चलते हैं अपने क्वेश्चंस की ओर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, व्हाट इज़ अ क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम? आंसर, a quality management system is a set of policies, procedures, and practices used to ensure that a company's product or services meet customer and regulatory requirements. Question number 32. What is the role of quality control in pharmaceutical industry? Answer. The role of quality control in pharmaceutical industry is to ensure that products are manufactured and controlled in a consistent manner and that they meet the desired quality standards. Question number 33. What are the current good manufacturing practices? CGMP. Answer. CGMP are regulations established by the US FDA to ensure that pharmaceutical products are manufactured and controlled in a consistent and safe manner. Question number 34. What is the difference between quality control and quality assurance? Answer. Quality control is the process of ensuring that a product meets the desired quality standards, while quality assurance is the process of ensuring that the quality control system is working effectively. Question number 35. What is the role of quality assurance department in pharmaceutical company? Answer. The role of quality assurance department in pharmaceutical company is to ensure that the quality control system is working effectively and that products are manufactured and controlled in a consistent and safe manner. Question number 36. What is the role of quality control department in a pharmaceutical company? Answer. The role of quality control department in pharmaceutical company is to perform quality test, analyze test results, document findings and ensure compliance with regulations. Question number 37. What is the difference between analytical and microbiological testing? Answer. Analytical testing is the process of testing the physical and chemical properties of pharmaceutical product, while microbiological testing is the process of testing for the presence of microorganisms. Question number 38. What is the role of statistical analysis in quality control? Answer. Statistical analysis is used in quality control to identify patterns and trends in data and to make informed decisions based on that data. Question number 39. What is a quality agreement? Answer. A quality agreement is a written agreement between two companies that outlines the quality expectations for a particular product or service. Question number 40. What is the role of regulatory agencies in pharmaceutical industry? Answer. Regulatory agencies plays a critical role in pharmaceutical industry by ensuring that drug and medical devices are safe, effective, and of high quality. Some examples of regulatory agencies in pharmaceutical industry include US FDA, EMA, and WHO. Question number 41. What is the purpose of stability study? Answer. The purpose of stability study is to determine how the quality of a pharmaceutical product changes over time under specific conditions such as temperature and humidity. Question number 42. What is a clean room? Answer. A clean room is a controlled environment used in pharmaceutical manufacturing that is designed to minimize contamination. Question number 43. What is an environmental monitoring program? Answer. An environmental monitoring program is a program that involves monitoring the air, surfaces, and personnel in pharmaceutical manufacturing environment to ensure that it remains free of contamination. Question number 44. What is a gowning procedure? Answer. A gowning procedure is a process that involves putting on specialized clothing and equipment to minimize contamination in a clean room environment. Question number 45. What is deviation? Answer. A deviation is an unexpected or unplanned event that occurs during the manufacturing process that could potentially impact the quality of the final product. Question number 46. What is an out of specification OOS result? Answer. An out of specification result is a test result that falls outside of the established specifications for a product or process. Question number 47. What is a trending analysis? Answer. A trending analysis is the process of analyzing data over time to identify patterns and trends that may indicate potential quality issues. Question number 48. What is a change control process? Answer. A change control process is a systematic process used to manage changes to a product, process, or system to ensure that they are implemented in a controlled and documented manner. Question number 49. What is a quality audit? Answer. A quality audit is a process used to evaluate the effectiveness of a company's quality system and to identify areas of improvement. Question number 50. What is the importance of continuous improvement in pharmaceutical quality control? Answer. Continuous improvement is important in pharmaceutical quality control because it allows companies to identify and correct quality issues, improve efficiency, and ultimately produce better products that meet the needs of patients and regulatory agencies. तो गाइस, ये हमारे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे। 2 पार्ट्स में हमने इनको कवर किया है। गाइस, यदि आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट को नहीं देखा है तो लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। गाइस, यदि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें।